from Los Angeles.
The timing of this heat wave is extremely significant because the temperatures we're talking about are not necessarily unheard of, especially in this part of the country. But what's really strange here is the timing in terms of seeing these elevated temperatures this early in the summer. Now take Death Valley, for example. It is already set to be around 123 degrees Fahrenheit. Today on Thursday, that's about 50 degrees Celsius. That alone could be a record temperature for this time of the year.
This is early to have this much of a heat wave. It's happened before, but it's not that common. And if you look at the Death Valley's climate over time, we still haven't hit the 134-degree temperature that we hit back in 1913, which is our record.
Obviously, scientists believe this is all part of the ongoing trend of climate change. And here in this part of the world, it is taking quite a bit of impact on our daily lives. For one thing, the electricity consumption is going up, even though they say the electricity grid is stable. Officials are aware that people are going to be using their ACs more often and other similar needs, and so they are now issuing flex alerts in different parts of Los Angeles, asking people to essentially lower down their electricity consumption on a voluntary basis. Now, a second problem is going to be our water resources that are already limited because California is now going through a second year of drought. We are seeing several reservoirs across the state are already marking very low water levels. So agriculture is going to be impacted. Our environment is going to be impacted. And last but not the least, obviously one of the worst nightmares for California is the wildfire season that is just coming up in the next month or so. And many believe that this ongoing heat wave, if it continues this way, it could be pretty bad news for this year's wildfire season as well. Ediz Tiyansan, CGTN, Los Angeles.